It's day 28 of Challenge Death for Sun, when I'm losing 25 kilos in 100 days and collecting money towards my son's education as a pilot. So support us on GoFundMe platform. Today was just a very ordinary day full of work. I just did a short walk in New Westminster, did some cleaning at the church and many other stuff, many other obligations. So I got back home very late, but before going to bed I'm still doing some walk on the treadmill. This is as much as I could do. The important thing is just to do something as much as I can. A rowing machine allows to work every muscle in the body.